Hey guys, today I have the May SCT Sampler Kit from Scrapbook and Cards today to share with you. I think I said this last month, but it's true again this month. This may be my favorite kit so far. This is the card that comes with the kit. This month it says "Make a Smile, your signature accessory" on the front. And on the back they've listed everything that's in the kit. And look at all the stuff! We got so much stuff this month. So I'm gonna just jump right into it because there's so much stuff! To start off, we have this month's exclusive acrylic word from Freckled Fawn and SCT, which says "Smile." Next we have these ombre sequins from Hero Arts. Then we have the Thickers Alignment Guide from We Are Memory Keepers, which actually is not listed on the card. In the companion email that we get about the kit, they stated that they didn't think these were going to arrive in time, so they didn't list them. But they ended up getting there like the day before they shipped the kits out, so they stuck them in there at the last minute. I am a little confused by this one simply because this is a hexagon, and according to the link in the SCT email, the alignment guide doesn't come in a hexagon shape. Anyways, it's supposed to help you lay out stickers and whatnot on your projects because you stick the stickers, like the bottom part, you line them up on the line so you can have it, even. And then you place the whole thing down on the project, and then you pull the guide out from underneath the stickers, and then, push the stickers down. So that's very interesting. It also folds in half, I guess, to be compact. From scrapbook.com, we have this 81-foot roll of 1/8 of an inch clear permanent double-sided adhesive, which I am stupid excited about. There's so much here, and look how skinny that is. Next we have these 2 sheets of Whimsy fundamental stickers from Close to My Heart. There's this sheet of planner-like stickers and this sheet of alphas that I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but there's the same style of alphas in 3 different colors. Getting into the larger batches of items, we have from the Simple Stories I Am collection these 4 snap cards, which are like journaling cards. And the cards are double-sided, so here's the backs here. This I Am sticker sheet, and 6 double-sided 6x6 papers. And I know which papers are what this time. In the email they mentioned that if you click on the links they provide to the collections themselves, you can see which papers are which, and I love that, so thank you so much to SCT. That is incredibly helpful for making videos. So this paper is called Loving Life. This is Bold and Beautiful. This one is called Living Vibrantly. This one is called Choosing Happiness. This is Simply Me. And this one is called Focusing on the Good. And finally we have a number of items from Pinkfresh Studio. From the BU collection we have these cute little wood epoxy buttons. These pieces from the Rose Gold Ephemera pack. And 3 double-sided 6x6 papers. This one is called True. This one is called Happy. And this one is called Beautiful. From the Let Your Heart Decide collection, we have these leatherette heart stickers and these gold foiled epoxy heart stickers, a stitched frame, and 3 more double-sided 6x6 papers. This one is called Whim. This is called Spur. And this one is called Quirk. And then the last pieces are these 2 tassel bows from the collection called The Mix, and this double-sided 6x6 paper called Flossom from the A Case of the Blahs collection. And that's it for this month's SCT Sampler Kit. As always, I am extremely happy with how much stuff I got for only $12 plus tax, and as always I am very excited to get to playing with all this stuff. I will link to SCT's website down below. I believe they are currently taking subscription sign-ups for July start, and I absolutely recommend giving the kit a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please give it a share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little bell in the corner to be notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one.